Yeah, guys, you're welcome back to Graphics Chemical. So today, guys, I want us to discuss about this satin paint production, how you can achieve high quality satin paint production. If you are planning to produce satin paint, as you can see in this video, this is a simple satin paint production I did in my workshop. So I did a video about what you need to do to know before starting a paint production. With your hand and all these chemicals, you can produce an estate project with just a nice stick, and if you understand the paint production formulation. So what I just want to explain today is about how you can achieve high quality satin paint production. What are the materials you need? As you can see from this video, we have our cash, we have our titanium dioxide, we have Jeniper, we have this acrylic, this is scale, these are the chemicals, this is Jeniper, these are the chemicals you need to produce satin paint. But what are the major chemicals that will give you high quality in paint production? So when you are producing satin paint like this, you just need, instead of this water to be 10 kg, you also have to reduce the quantity of water. Then you increase the quantity of acrylic that you want to add into the production. That will give you good sheen, and the sheen will be, you see, a good finishing. Then in order to increase the coverage capacity, that's what the purpose of putting the titanium dioxide in the paint production. So the importance of adding titanium dioxide is the coverage. When you are applying the paint on the wall, you just have to apply like once or twice, 2 coats will give you a final finishing. So the higher the quantity of titanium dioxide in your satin paint or silk paint, the higher the covering capacity, the higher the speed of painting. And if you want to increase the sheen of the paint, of the satin paint, this water in this production was a 10 kg water. You can reduce the water to about 8 kg, 6 kg, depending of how you want your quality to look like. So this water can be reduced to like 7 kg. That's the total sum of water that will be used in the production. During the beginning of the production, you can start with like 5 kg. Then if you want to mix your nitroso, you can use the remaining 2 kg to mix your nitroso. Then what other chemical? We have your Tesanol. Tesanol is a chemical that also gives the sheen, increase the sheen of paint production of satin paint. Is a soluble, I think I've forgotten one of the important chemical terms used for this Tesanol, but Tesanol also gives sheen to paint. So these are the chemicals that you are mostly going to concentrate your attention to if you want to increase the quality of satin paint production. Number one, you increase your acrylic. The acrylic and the quality of the acrylic you are using also determine the finishing or the quality of your satin paint. Number two is your titanium dioxide. When you are producing paint, titanium dioxide is a white pigment that gives you high covering capacity. So these are the chemicals that are very important when you want to produce high quality satin paint. Number three is your Tesanol. Is your Tesanol that will give you another chemical that is very, very important. So these are the 3 chemicals that are very, very important when you want to increase the quality of your satin paint. Other chemicals are still the same. If you increase the percentage of other chemicals, it does not increase the value of your chemical. If you increase the percentage of nitroso is just the thickness. That's the purpose of adding nitroso in the satin paint production. Your deformer is to reduce the foaming on the paint. This is the importance of the deformer. Your calcium is not needed while producing satin paint. Your Jeniper is just to increase the rate of dissolving the pigment in the water. That's why you are adding Jeniper, and to make the paint spread and your preservative are just to keep the paint for a longer period of time. In case you are not using the chemical paint immediately, that's the purpose of adding preservative. If possible, if you are using on-site, preservative is not so important like that. So guys, this is just the video I did, and I will still do more of this video on a scale menu, and it's just about how you can increase the quality of paint production of your satin paints. Paint production formulation does not base on any standard formulation. It's just about your creativity, how you can input ideas together and you get your final finishing. So thank you guys.